Hakotor uswlui klaijak rung srwngnai srwngnai jok songni bagwi kwbangma samwng bwtangni bagwi gosimung rwmani Hakotorni Montri bokrok Narendra Modi tabuki a rung srwngnai srwngnai jokni kok wansugui Bharatni tebo phan gwnang Bharat swnamna bagwi Montri bokrok bai gdalkha bharatiya sengkrak bodol bo rung srwngnai srwngnai jok songni kaham swrungmung rinani bagwi Dipakni mwngui kaisa samwng bwtang songkha jaknai hwnwi chef naharmani bharatiya sengkrak bodolni bwkhak twi Talai taltham sikang Asamni Dibrugor hangkoro asamang bwtangni gosimung rwmani bharatiya sengkrak bodol tabukhe Dibrugorni ulo Tripura bo songkhajaknani naitongkha samwng bwtang Tripurani a samwng bwtangni bagwi tangsalo haste Montri okra Dr. Manik Saha phai manjak phai rajakhor aulini 21 sector Assam Rifle Sodor Tang Bedeko Axis Bank the National Integrity and Educational Development Organization ni bisingtwi memorandum signature khwlaikha.
Honorable Prime Minister used to say that without the development of Northeast, the country cannot be developed. So following that line, the Assam Rifles also doing the same thing. So the same project they have already done in Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Arunachal Pradesh, and now in Tripura. That's why again I congratulate the Assam Rifles 21. Headquarter 21 sector Assam Rifles situated at Telimura provides free coaching and accommodation to 30 students for up to 1 year to impart quality education. Students will be shortlisted through an exam selection process in October 2023 this month, and the meritorious students will click from economically background communities living in rural areas and selected for this scheme. 21 sector Assam Rifles will provide accommodation and other infrastructure at Telimura. And I should say that this is really an innovative idea, and this endeavor, I think that from other sectors, they should also follow this endeavor.
Dipak samwng bwtangni bisingtwi NIEDO, JEE, CLAT, CUET rokno rwjaknai hasteni chwrai rokni kaham wansukmungni bagwi a samwng bwtang songsai rwjakha aboni ulo magnano shep rinani nangnai. Bureau report, khwrak.